Thank you for watching this brief video that will give you some important information if you are just starting to look and compare long-term care insurance plan options. Basically, you have two options at your availability. One is traditional long-term care insurance. That's what has been around for many, many years. The other are hybrid or combo linked benefit policies. Those also have been around for many years, but they are increasingly popular today. And we'll explain some misconceptions that people aren't aware of. My name is Jesse Sloan. Since 1997, I've been director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance. We are here for consumer advocacy to provide valuable and relevant information for consumers and to support insurance professionals who market all different forms of long-term care protection. So when it comes to traditional versus linked benefit or hybrid, I like to focus on what I call the big three misconceptions. Number one, that costs of both of those types of coverage are equal. Two, that there's one which is better than the other because people like to say if you use it or lose it. And the third is that all hybrids or linked benefit policies are the same. So let's deal with the first misconception that costs are equal. Well, they are not. On the left, we're showing costs for traditional long-term care insurance. This is from the 2022 Association's Price Index. So we're looking to get a maximum long-term care benefit at age 90, because that's when you're very likely to need this care. A single male, age 55, his annual cost for this type of traditional long-term care insurance would be $2,200 a year. Women pay more for long-term care insurance because they're far more likely to need care at older ages. So a single female, age 55, would pay $3,700 a year. Now, what would somebody pay for a hybrid combo or linked benefit plan? Well, if you were trying to target about the same maximum long-term care benefits at age 90, in this case, $455,000, but remember, with these policies, you will also get a death benefit. So we're looking for a decent minimum death benefit from the policy, in this case, $167,000. Well, that same single male would pay $6,700. So basically 3 times as much. And the single female would pay $7,200. So for a single female, combo is not quite the cost differential. It's this case twice as much. But you can see these costs are not equal. The two policies are very different. Why? Because hybrid and combo provide double duty. They're either giving you long-term care or some sort of death benefit, life insurance benefit. The next misconception is people like to tell consumers, and consumers have it in this mind, that if I don't use it, I lose it. Well, that's true with most insurance. If you don't get into a car accident, you're not getting any benefit out of car insurance. If your home doesn't burn to the ground, you're not getting any value out of having homeowners insurance. Traditional long-term care insurance is just like that. It is true, if you don't use your traditional long-term care insurance, you will lose it. There will be no benefit. Do people use it? Yes, our research says that if you live a long life into your late 80s, 90s, and even beyond that, the chances of needing long-term care are really high. And so you will likely use some, if not all, of your policy. But when it comes to hybrid policies, it's, the same is somewhat true. In this case, if you do use it, you lose it. Why? Because with these policies, they're basically life insurance policies. And if you need long-term care, you're starting to eat away at that life insurance benefit. So if you do use it, you lose it. There is never a free lunch. The third misconception is that all hybrids are the same, and that is clearly not the case. They are governed by Internal Revenue Codes, 2 of them, 7702B, which are the definitions for true long-term care insurance, and 101G, which are definitions for chronic illness policies. I'm not going to go into the differences. We have videos that discuss that, and we have web pages that show that in great length. But I will tell you that it is important for you to know the differences, because come claim time, that's when those differences really reveal themselves. And that's, of course, when it's most important to you. So if you're interested in comparing long-term care options, well, let me suggest that you can call the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance. Our phone number is 818-597-3227. We're happy to answer your questions, and we can connect you with an independent specialist who can compare both. By the way, if you got value from this or any of our videos, we'd be most grateful if you'd give us a like. That helps tell other consumers that it's valuable information. You can also visit our website, aaltci.org/hybrid. That will get you to the section where we talk more about linked benefit policies, comparing the 7702 and the 101G, but more information can be accessed there. Thanks so much for watching.